I'm on location working on an ice cream machine. I came into the freezer just to look at it. Temps are good, but yeah. Oh, it's trying. It's locked up. I can't even spin this. Motor is seized, or it's hitting something. It doesn't feel like it's hitting anything. Oh, I'm fighting. Yeah. This motor's locked up. Like, dead locked up. Huh. Well, let's go talk to the manager. And we got another fan to get a hold of. Right. When I'm working alone, I don't video a lot of the hands-on part of things, so I'm sorry. How this comes out is those 4 nuts come off, and then the guard comes down. The stem that was coming through is the bracket that holds the fan. So it then pushes in, and then you can weasel it out. And I will take you over here to it and show you. So that bracket goes through, and then I had the motor screw to the back of it. And I took the blade off. I mean, this is just really tough. So this motor is no bueno. So, back to my boys at United. We'll get it done. Boom. United Refrigeration, as always. Alright, so this is the new motor. The only thing that is different, right? I don't know if you saw, the other one actually had pigtails on it, like male and female ends. So I'm gonna have to cut this off, but no big deal. Small price to pay for the cost of non-OEM. Here it is. Alright, so you got your rubber gasket. That goes on. Let me show you something about this. That's a real headache. I'm trying to get this set on this box here. That'll work. That'll work. Alright, so these stems pull through, and then you gotta get nuts on them. But there used to be, the company would put a little tiny lock on first to hold these stems on. Because when you try and put the guard on, it pushes the stems through. Right? You can be real careful. I can get the bottom too. Let's see. Oh, the top pulls out, and now you're stuck. So I'm really proud of this one. I actually started just taking a piece of wire, grabbing the bracket, wrapping it around it, through the fan blade, basically up to the motor, pull that through. You can do this with like a leather shoelace. It actually works a little easier, but get all those through. All right, now make sure it's straight because you're gonna have to pull this out later. All right, now you run this through your fan blade, the same square. All right, now this lets you put those on and hold the pins in place. And that may seem like a stupid little thing, but you will fight with these. Right? So those are on. Now, this is where I said the shoelace can be better. There you go. And we'll put the other nuts on, tighten them up. We'll be in good shape. Let's see. All right, let's go get the breaker. See if she runs. Eureka! So then just make sure it's blowing the right direction, right? We want it blowing air out, and it is. So, boom. Yeah, what is this wire? This isn't me. This is factory white wire. It's running down from up there. Oh, what is this? This is rigged in some sort of temperature probe? No. This is the wire. Oh! Emergency alarm? That's running into the emergency alarm? Weird. Not sure what it is. So we're gonna mount it higher out of the way, clean up our mess, and that's a wrap.